Alright guys, come with me while we clean out the fridge.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am. I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Sing like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know
These mats are here for easy cleanup and to catch spills.
I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease, oh. And I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. I pray for a new song, new day, new life, new season. Pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find hope, find strength, find freedom. Pray,
This can't be my forever. This can't be, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No. Yeah. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season. Maybe Maybe that's enough to wait. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade till I have you. I know there's more to the pain I'm feeling now. I know there's more to the heartache all around. Somehow I can see it shining like a starlight. It's so hard to see it now, but I'll be alright.
I'll be alright. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, Don't be in a rush to try to find a man. Just keep getting closer with God and trusting in His plans. Don't fall for the hype on the gram, they follow trends. Making toxicity look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth. Get you a male, treat you like a queen, and always gon' put God first. Don't return to your past, I know it hurt. Last time they put you on a shirt. Glory to God that now you're living. Don't go back, it might be worse. Beautiful to be treated like dirt. Don't rush it, put it on pause. Let God satisfy your thirst. He don't pray at all. You know that ain't gon' work. Yahweh died for you, sweetheart. It's better that you deserve. It's not even worth that hurt. 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 P31, that's what you are. I see you shining, girl, you like a star. You be on your grind, you working hard. You in your whip, got your own car. Look at God, oh, He done brought you far. You so amazing, oh, don't get me started. Don't get me started. Baby, come and get your kick off. Baby, come and get your kick off. Don't put your head on your razor. I'll lift your head up, pick your face up.
If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there.
I've been through the fire, I've been through the storm. Seen a lot of love, I seen a lot of war. Took a lot of losses, then I took some more. Even through it all, I know you fighting for me. Through all my lowest days, when I was losing faith, through all the tears and pain, still though I wouldn't trade. None of it wasn't it all, making me something better than what I've been. And I want it, I'm loving it, let's run it, I'm saying. When I'm low, still I know that I'm not alone. I lean on you and I know you'll keep me strong. Rose up, tryna rise up, had to dead him. Every day I wake up, I'm resurrecting.
If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. Rendezvous, world had me in some funny shoes. Turning green from the wicked I was running through. Could've took me out if he wanted to. I know he was hearing me cry. Lord, set me down and let me get my feet right. Now all my bad dreams get a goodbye. I know what you do, keep me on assignment. Angels surrounding me on my right and left. Now grace is what you call that. I know you got all that I need. You can find me right here.
living freely. Though I could choose, it's not that easy. All the things I leave behind, living for another life. Guess I will love you till it kills me. Mind on the loose, can you hear me? Always accused of what I used to be. Reaching for the things I know, something that'll make me whole. I'm gonna love you till it fills me. Fill me with your joy again. Give me peace that's heaven sent, surpassing what I till I overflow. Keep me when I wanna go. You're my everlasting hope. Mind on the loose, would you cleanse me? Invade every room, renew my thinking. Troubled waters of the mind, I need you to walk beside. I'm gonna love you till it stills me. Steal me to a quiet place, be my only hideaway. Lord, I'm needing your embrace. I need your embrace. I'm gonna love you through and through. I wanna love like you. So I will love you till it kills me.
Alpha Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve.
Right here, the fridge may look empty, but I like to clean it right before we go grocery shopping. We're getting ready to go grocery shopping. Hope y'all enjoy hanging out with me while we clean out the fridge. This is the end of the video. As always, thank you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.